Good morning, students. Today's our class is class 10th, chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables, exercise 3.1, introduction. So, let us start. Pair means what? Joda, ya jodi, ya couple. So, we can write joda. And linear equation in two variable, which is we have completed in a class 9th. In shortcut we wrote LE2V, linear equation in two variable. Let us discuss about linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable. So what is the general form of linear equation in two variable? Ax plus by plus c will be equal to 0. And what will be the conditions? Two variables required, and we are saying that linear, so the degree will be 1, degree is 1. Next, what we can write condition? Here, where A, B and C are real numbers and A and B should not be both 0. A and B both should not be 0 at a time. Okay, at a time. So now, if that both will be zeros, then what will happen? See, if A is 0, B is 0, let us take C will be equal to 6. Then our linear equation in two variable will be 0 plus 0 plus 6 will be equal to 0. So we will get 6 will be equal to 0. So which is what? Which is a false statement. Which is a false statement. So that's why A and B should not both 0. So this is the condition for the linear equation in two variable. Now, what is the solution for the linear equation in two variable? Let us take one more example. If A is 2, B is 3 and C is, let us take the 6. So what answer we will get here? C will be equal to, so we will take here C will be equal to minus 6. So here our linear equation will be 2x plus 3y minus 6 will be equal to 0, or this we can write 2x plus 3y will be equal to 6. So what is the solution for this equation? What is the solution of this linear equation? So very simple, that x and y values will satisfy the equation. Satisfy means that LHS will be equal to RHS. The values of x and y satisfy the equation is called a solution. That is, LHS left hand side will be equal to RHS. So what will be the solutions for this? So I will write here solutions. 2x plus 3y will be equal to 6. When x equal to 3 and y will be equal to 0. So when x equal to 3 and y will be equal to 0, so what we will get here? 2 3 is plus 3 into 0 will be equal to 6. So 6 plus 0 will be equal to 6. So 6 will be equal to 6. So here both the LHS and RHS are same. It means x equal to 3 and y will be equal to 0 is a solution. So we can say that 3 comma 0 is a solution. Next we will find the one more. when x equal to 0 and y will be equal to 2. So what we will get now here? 2x means 0 plus 3 y means 2 will be equal to 6. So we will get 0 plus 6 will be equal to 6. So again 6 will be equal to 6. So we got the both the LHS and will be equal to RHS. So we can say that x equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. So 0 comma 2 is a solution. So now when we will draw the graph of linear equation in the Cartesian plane, so what we will get? So we will draw the here Cartesian plane means graph for these solutions. So here see first solution is x y. First one, when x is 3 the y is 0. Second, when x is 0 y is 2. So these two solutions we will plot on the Cartesian plane, then we will see what we will get. So x axis horizontal line and the vertical line is y axis, where the x axis and y axis meet each other is called the origin. It is y dash and it is x dash. So now mark your numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 going on. Next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and goes on. The first solution, x is 3 and y is 0. X is 3 and y is 0. So this point 3 comma 0. Next x is 0 and y is 2. X is 0 but y is 2. So 0 comma 2. So when we will join these two points, we are getting a one straight line. So this is the straight line of 2x plus 3y will be equal to 6. It means linear equation in two variable always give us a straight line. So like this, how many solutions will have the linear equation in two variable? 1 or 2 or many. So see, from this graph we can write here the first 2 point. All points on line will be solutions. जितने भी पॉइंट्स इस लाइन के ऊपर लाई करेंगे वो सारे क्या हो जाएंगे इसके सॉल्यूशन. और हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, और all solutions will lie on line. जितने भी सॉल्यूशंस रहेंगे वो सारे किसके ऊपर आ जाएंगे? इसी लाइन के ऊपर आ जाएंगे. सो दिस इज द लीनियर इक्वेशन इन two variable. What is the general form? Ax plus by plus c will be equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b both should not be 0. यानी एक साथ वो 0 नहीं हो सकता है. और यहाँ पे हमें क्या क्या हो सकता है? या तो दो वेरिएबल होना है, और लीनियर बोले तो उसका डिग्री 1 होना है, और दूसरी बात हम ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि वो एक इक्वेशन होना जरूरी है. इक्वेशन यानी समथिंग विल बी इक्वल टू 0. So this is all about linear equation in two variable. Now we will start the pair of linear equation in two variable. So proceeding to that, so please pause the video to note it down. Okay, now pair of linear equations in two variable. So in shortcut we can write PLE2V, pair of linear equation in two variable. So what is the general form of pair of linear equation in two variable? That is a1x plus b1y plus c1 will be equal to 0, where a1, b1 and c1 are real numbers, and there a1 and b1 both should not be equal to 0. So in shortcut we can write a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0. And the second one is a2x plus b2y plus c2 will be equal to 0, where A2, B2 and C2 are real numbers and A2 square plus B2 square will not be equal to 0. These are the general form of pair of linear equation in two variable. A linear equation in two variable always gives a straight line. Now here pair of linear equations will, what type of lines will give? So either we will get intersecting lines or we will get the parallel lines or we will get the coincide lines or coincident lines. इट मीन्स एक के ऊपर दूसरा आ जाएगा. सो अगर मैंने इसको L1 मान लिया लाइन 1, अगर इसको मान लिया मैंने L2, सो ये हो गया L1, ये हो गया L2, ये हो गया L1, ये हो गया L2, सो ये हो गया L1, ये हो गया L2. सो पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल हमें इस तीन के अलावा कोई दूसरा टाइप ऑफ लाइंस नहीं दे सकता है. आइदर इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस और पैरेलल लाइंस और कोइंसिडेंट लाइंस. चलो, now before proceeding into the examples, so please pause the video to note it down. Okay students, so this is the example 1. X minus 2y will be equal to 0 and the second one is the 3x plus 4y will be equal to 20. So we will give the first one as a line 1 L1, x minus 2y will be equal to 0. For second we will give the L2, line 2, 3x plus 4y will be equal to 20. So now we have to draw the graph. So for each line we need at least two solutions to draw the graph. So for the line 1, x minus 2y will be equal to 0. When x equal to 0, so what we will get here? When x equal to 0, 0 minus 2y will be equal to 0. Then here we will get 0 will be equal to 2y, then y also we will get as a 0. So now it is for one solution. Next one more solution. When now we will take here x equal to 2. When x equal to 2, what we will get here? 2 minus 2y will be equal to 0. 2 will be equal to 2y. So from here we will get y will be equal to 2 divided by 2. So y will be equal to 1. So now two solutions will be enough. Now for the line 2. Line 2, 3x plus 4y will be equal to 20. Now when x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, what we will get? 3 times 0 plus 4y will be equal to 20. So 3 times 0 means 0. So we will get 4y will be equal to 20. So y will be equal to 20 by 4. So we will get y will be equal to 5. So this is the first solution. Next, when x equal to what number we can take? Otherwise we will take here y will be equal to, when y will be equal to 2, then what we will get? 3x plus 4 2 ja 4 into 2 will be equal to 20. So 3x will be equal to 20 and here plus 8, that side going, so minus 8. Then 3x will be equal to, we will get 12. So x will be equal to 12 by 3. So then x will be 4. So these are the two solutions. Now these four solutions we will plot on the graph. Then what we will get, we will see. So here I will write line 1, xy, line 1, when x is 0, y is also 0. When x is 2 and y is 1. For line 2, when x is 0, y is 5. Next, when x is 4 and y is 2. When y is 2 and x is 4. So these four solutions we have to plot on the graph. The first one is 0, 0, second is 2, 1, and for line 2 is 0, 5, and another one is 4, 2. So now draw the graph. It is y-axis, x dash, origin O, y dash, and x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 goes on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 goes on. Okay, first one 0, 0, this point. Second 2, 1, x is 2 and y is 1. This point 2, 1, and this origin is 0, 0. When we will join these 2 points, we will get one straight line like this. So this is the line of L1, first line. Second L2, 0, 5. When x is 0, y is 5. 0, 5. Second one, when x is 4, y is 2. When x is 4, y is 2. This point, when x is 4, then y is 2. When we will join these 2 points, we will get one straight line like this. This is the line of L2. So here what type of lines we got? See here, both L1 and L2 are intersecting both at one point. So we can say that L1 and L2 are intersecting lines. So this is the final answer. I hope you all understood very well. So before proceeding into the next question, please pause the video to note it down. Okay students, so this is the example 2. Romila went to a stationery shop and purchased 2 pencils, 3 erasers for ₹9. रोमिला ने एक स्टेशनरी शॉप में गया है और उन्होंने खरीदा है 2 पेंसिल्स एंड 3 इरेजर्स और कितने में खरीदा है? ₹9 में. Our friend, उसका फ्रेंड सोनाली saw the new variety of pencils. अब उनका फ्रेंड सोनाली ने उसके पास वैरायटी ऑफ पेंसिल्स और इरेजर्स देख लिया है विथ रोमिला, यानी रोमिला के पास. एंड शी आल्सो ब्रॉट, फिर बाद में उन्होंने भी लाया है 4 पेंसिल्स, 6 इरेजर्स ऑफ द सेम काइंड for ₹18. Now represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Algebraically मतलब क्या होता है? We have to form the pair of linear equations, and graphically मतलब हमें एक ग्राफ ड्रॉ करके दिखाना है. वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, देखते हैं. रोमिला brought 2 pencils plus 3 erasers. For how many rupees लाया उन्होंने? For ₹9. And her friend Sonali, she brought 4 pencils plus 6 erasers for ₹18. Now we have to form the pair of linear equation. So एक पेंसिल का कॉस्ट कितना है, एक इरेजर का कॉस्ट कितना है हमें मालूम नहीं. So let the price of one pencil will be ₹X and the price of one eraser will be ₹Y. So now we will get here 2x plus 3y will be equal to 9, and next one is 4x plus 6y will be equal to 18. So this is our line 1 and this is our line 2. So now we have to find the at least two solutions for the each line. Then we have to plot on the graph. Then we can see what type of lines we will get. For the line 1, L1, 2x plus 3y will be equal to 9. When x equal to 0. So what we will get? 2 times 0 plus 3y will be equal to 9. So we will get 3y will be equal to 9. Then y will be equal to 3. Next, one more solution. When we have to take such numbers, so our answer should be whole number, not fractional numbers or decimal numbers. Next, y, what number we can take? Now y will be equal to 0. When y will be 0, then we will get 2x plus 3 into 0 will be equal to 9. So we will get here 2x will be equal to 9. So again we are getting a decimal number. So sorry, decimal number नहीं होना है हमें. So हम दूसरा नंबर मानते हैं. हाँ, we will take here y will be equal to 3. When y will be 3, so what we will get here? 2x plus 3 into 3 will be equal to 9. So 2x will be equal to 9 minus 9. So 2x will be equal to 0. Then x will be equal to 0. So this is the second solution for the line 1. Now for line 2. What is the line 2? 4x plus 6y will be equal to 18. So when x equal to 0, so what we will get? 4 into 0 plus 6y will be equal to 18. So we will get 6y will be equal to 18. Then y will be equal to 3. So this is the first solution. Next, when, now what we will take here? When y will be equal to 0, y will be equal to 0 means what we will get? 16, 18, sorry, no. हमें ऐसा नंबर लेना है कि हमारा आंसर डेसिमल में ना आए. Okay, we will take when y will be equal to 1, then we will get 4x plus 6 into 1 will be equal to 18. So 4x will be equal to 18 minus 6. Then 4x will be equal to 12. Then x will be equal to 3. So this is the second solution. Now this both the solutions means for equation 1 and for equation 2. This we have to plot in the graph. First one is line 1. For line 1, x is 0, y is 3. When y is 3, x is 0. Line 2, when x is 0, y is 3. Next, when y is 1, x is 3. Okay, now these four solutions we have to plot on the graph. First one is 0, 3 and here 0, 3. And here we got the same answer again. Yes, we got here same solution. We have to change it. यहाँ पे फिर से वो तो सेम ही आ गया, x is 0, y is 3. So we have to change it. हमें कुछ नंबर दूसरा लेना पड़ेगा. So another number means what we can take here. Next number. First x तो 0 ले लिया है हमने. Now x is हमने अगर 2 लिया है. Okay, now we will take x equal to 3. So we will get here 2 times 3 plus 3y will be equal to 3. Then here we will get 3y will be equal to 9 minus 6. Then 3y will be equal to 3. So then y will be equal to 1. So here we can change the solution. When x is 3, so y is we got 1. So here solution is 3, 1. Next here second is 0, 3 and next one is the 3, 1. So now we have to plot the graph. X-axis, y-axis, x dash, y dash and origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 goes on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 goes on. First solution, when x is 0 and y is 3. When x is 0 and y is 3, 0 comma 3. Next, when x is 3, y is 1. When x is 3 and y is 1, this point. When x is 3 and y is 1. So join these 2 points, we will get one straight line. This is the straight line of L1. Next, L2. When x is 0, y is 3. When x is 0 and y is 3, same point again. Next, when x is 3, y is the 1. Again same point we got. So here both line 1 and line 2 क्या हो गए अभी एक दूसरे के ऊपर आ गए. It means we can say that L1 and L2 are coincident lines. L1 and L2 are the coincident lines. यानी एक के ऊपर एक आ गए, वो दोनों अलग अलग नहीं है, वो दोनों भी सेम है. सो जब भी दोनों इक्वेशन हमें कोइंसिडेंट लेते हैं तो कभी भी दो अलग अलग लाइंस, दो अलग अलग इक्वेशंस हमें सेम लाइन को दे सकते हैं क्या? नेवर, कभी भी नहीं दे सकता है. इसका मतलब ये दोनों अलग अलग नहीं है, ये दोनों बल्कि सेम इक्वेशन है. ये कोई डिफरेंट इक्वेशन नहीं है, नॉट डिफरेंट. ये डिफरेंट नहीं है, ये दोनों क्या है, एक ही इक्वेशन है. ऐसे वाली इक्वेशन को हम क्या बोलते हैं? इक्विवेलेंट. इक्विवेलेंट इक्वेशन बोलते हैं. ऐसे इक्वेशन को हम क्या बोलते हैं? इक्विवेलेंट इक्वेशन. और इक्विवेलेंट इक्वेशन को हम ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं कि डिपेंडेंट, डिपेंडेंट लाइंस भी बोल सकते हैं हम लोग. ओके, सो दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर. आई होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड वेरी वेल. सो बिफोर प्रोसीडिंग इनटू द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, प्लीज पॉज द वीडियो टू नोट इट डाउन. Okay students, so this is the last example, that is example 3. Two rails are represented by the equations x plus 2y minus 4 will be equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 will be equal to 0. Represent this situation graphically. यहाँ पे रेल्स के दो लाइंस दे दिए हमारे पास. अब इसको हमें ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंट करना है, तो फिर बाद में हम चेक करते हैं कि वो कौन सी टाइप ऑफ लाइन मिलेगा. ऑलरेडी वी हैव कंप्लीटेड इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस एंड कोइंसिडेंट लाइंस. ये तो अभी रेल्स बोल रहा है, रेल तो कभी भी क्या रहेगा, वो तो पैरेलल रहेगा. बट वी विल सी ग्राफिकली. सॉल्यूशन, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन L1, so x plus 2y minus 4, send that side, so we will get the plus 4 RHS. Next L2, 2x plus 4y, here minus 12, that side sending, so plus 12. So these are the two lines. Again same, we have to find the two solution for each line. So first one is L1, x plus 2y will be equal to 4. So when x equal to 0, so what we will get? 0 plus 2y will be equal to 4, then 2y will be equal to 4, then y will be equal to 2. So this is the one solution. Next, when x equal to 2, then what we will get? 2 plus 2y will be equal to 4. So 2y will be equal to 4 minus 2. Then 2y will be equal to 2. Then y will be equal to 1. So this is the second solution. Now, so for line 1, 2 enough. Now for line 2, L2, 2x plus 4y will be equal to 12. Now when x equal to 0, so what we will get here? When x equal to 0, 2 times 0 plus 4y will be equal to 12. So now we will get here 4y will be equal to 12. So y will be equal to 4 3 ja 12. So this is the first solution. Next, when x equal to 2, when x equal to 2, what we will get? 2 times 2 plus 4y will be equal to 12. So we will get here 4y will be equal to 12. 2 to the 4, here plus 4, that side sending, so minus 4. So we will get 4y will be equal to 12 minus 4 is 8. So next y we will get 4 times 2, that is 8. So this is the second solution. Now these four solutions we have to plot on the graph. Line 1, line 1 when x is 0 the y is 2, line 1 when the x is 2 the y is 1. So first solution is 0 comma 2, second is the 2 comma 1. Next line 2 when x is 0 y is 3, when x is 2 y is 2. So here first solution is 0 comma 3 and here second solution is 2 comma 2. So now we have to plot. Y axis x dash, y dash origin and x axis 1 2 3 4 5 6 goes on 1 2 3 4 5 6 goes on and so on. First solution for line 1 0 comma 2 when x is 0 y is 2, 0 comma 2. Next when x is 2 y is 1, when x is 2 y is 1, 2 comma 1. So join these two lines, so we will get one straight line like this. So this is the straight line of L1 yani line 1. Next for line 2 when x is 0 y is 3, when x is 0 y is 3, this point when x is 0 y is 3. Next when x is 2 y is also 2, when x is 2 y is also 2, this point when x is 2 then y also 2. Now join these two lines, so we will get this one straight line. So this is the line for L2. So here both the lines are parallel to each other, either intersecting or not coincident. So we can say that here L1 and L2 are पैरेलल लाइंस. क्वेश्चन में भी हमने यहाँ पे भी बोला था रेल्स, रेल्स कैसे रहेंगे, वो तो रेलवे का पटरी वो तो पैरेलल रहेगा, वो तो कभी टच नहीं होगा. सो दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर. सो इन 3 एग्जांपल्स वी हैव सीन द 3 कंडीशंस. One is the intersecting lines, one is the coincident lines and one is the parallel lines. I hope all you understood very well. So we will see you in the next video. Thank you.